The COZ sliding gate opener is designed to handle gates up to 40 feet long and weighing up to 3,300 pounds, providing a reliable solution for heavy-duty gate automation. With HomeLink compatibility, this gate opener can be conveniently operated from your car, making entry and exit as simple as pressing a button. Supporting up to 40 remote controls, it is ideal for large families or small communities, allowing access from distances up to 98.4 feet. Safety is prioritized with infrared sensors that stop and reverse the gate if obstacles are detected, and the frequency encryption technology ensures secure remote control operation. The robust construction with IP44 casing protects the 550-watt motor, ensuring longevity and dependable service even in challenging weather conditions. For smooth installation, it is recommended to use signal and power lines with a thickness of at least 22 American wire gauge.